Graph is a nonlinear data structure consisting of vertices and edges. There are a lot of terminologies to describe a graph, so let's talk about them. This node is vertex. These nodes are vertices of the graph. The connection between two vertices are the edges of the graph. If there exists at least one path between two vertices, these two vertices are connected. A and C are connected because there are at least one path connecting them. Path is the sequence of vertices to go through from one vertex to another. There can be multiple paths between two vertices. Paths from A to C is ABC, AGBC, or AEFDBC. The path length is the number of edges in a path. The path lengths from A to C are 2, 3, and 5 respectively. Cycle is a path where the starting point and the end point are the same vertex. In this example, ABDFE forms a cycle. Similarly, AGB forms another cycle. The term degree applies to unweighted graphs. The degree of a vertex is the number of edges connecting the vertex. The degree of vertex A is 3 because 3 edges are connecting it. Integree is a concept in directed graphs. If the integree of vertex is D, there are D directional edges incident to the vertex. B's integree is 1, and out degree is a concept in directed graph 2. If the out degree of a vertex is D, there are D edges incident from the vertex, so B's out degree is 3. In a weighted graph, if the sum of the weights of all edges of a cycle is a negative value, it is a negative weight cycle. This is an example of a negative weight cycle. In this figure, the sum of weights is -3. After understanding the basis of the graph, let's start our journey on learning data structure and algorithm related to graph.